Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back once again to your favorite crypto corner. Little Pepe has just blown past stage 8, selling out and raising over 14 million in pre-sale, and as you can see, it's still gaining serious momentum. Without further ado, let's dive in. Welcome back, guys. Let's check out what's happening with Little Pepe. The hype around Little Pepe is huge right now, with the pre-sale already pushing past 14 million and positioning it as one of the hottest meme coins of 2025. That kind of early demand shows strong conviction from buyers and signals serious potential for aggressive performance after launch. And in this video, guys, I will walk you through exactly how to buy Little Pepe during the pre-sale so you can position yourself early. Projects that hit this level of funding before listing often start with high liquidity, strong community engagement, and heavy trading volume that can drive big early moves. As you know, guys, the current market appetite for meme coins that are backed by strong branding and high visibility is peaking, and Little Pepe is riding this wave perfectly. But I have to highlight that there is a much bigger vision behind it. This project is rolling out its own layer 2 blockchain that is built for speed, security, and ultra low fees while remaining Ethereum compatible. That gives it a massive technical edge in today's crowded space, especially for scaling fast with an already engaged community. At the heart of the ecosystem is Little Pepe, obviously, which is the utility token that's powering literally every transaction, feature, and reward on the Little Pepe network. This whole project is about real blockchain utility, a live L2 chain, and perfect timing during a full-blown meme coin surge. I also couldn't help but notice that the community has been growing rapidly with each pre-sale stage, which is adding more fuel to the momentum right as the market looks for high conviction plays. And from a market perspective, this mix of layer 2 technology with strong branding, active token use, and a rapidly expanding community points toward huge long-term potential. As you know, Pepe has already defined meme culture in crypto, and Little Pepe Layer 2 is now pushing that same culture forward with innovation and utility. On top of all this, guys, the project is currently celebrating with a massive $777,000 community giveaway, which is timed perfectly with the Layer 2 launch. 10 lucky winners will each get $77,000 in Little Pepe tokens, which is a life-changing amount for simply getting involved early. To enter, you only need a minimum $100 pre-sale contribution, followed by completing simple community actions like following, sharing, and tagging friends to increase your chances. What's cool is that every action earns you bonus entries, which is giving active participants more opportunities to win. It's a smart approach if you think about it, driving pre-sale momentum while boosting viral growth across social media and locking in visibility before the mainnet fully launches. To grab your bag of Little Pepe tokens, all you have to do is simply connect your MetaMask or Trust wallet to the pre-sale page, then select Ethereum, USDT, or card payment. Make sure you are on the Ethereum network and keep a little extra Ethereum for gas fees. As you can see, guys, the process is quick, simple, and gets you in early, which is very important now. Little Pepe is set for a huge debut with meme coin energy at an all-time high, a live layer 2 blockchain, strong utility, and one of the most engaged communities of this year. The pre-sale is your chance to secure your spot before it all takes off, so do not miss it. This is your favorite altcoin gem finder signing off.